Hello my friends, and welcome back. In today's live programming video, we're going to be doing some work on Komorebi, the tiling window manager for Windows written in the Rust programming language. In today's video, we're actually going to be doing some dependency upgrades. I saw that Dependabot had opened a PR to bump Miet from version 5 to version 7, and there were some breaking changes. I added Kat, who is the creator, maintainer of Miet, and they said it should probably be pretty easy. So I said I would see if I could speedrun the upgrade in less than 10 minutes. And you may have seen this in the latest version of Komorebi. If you've run Komorebi C check, all of this very nice syntactical feedback on the configuration file, this all comes from Miet. It is very cool. It's incredibly cool, and it's also very, very easy with Miet. I don't know how it all works, but as an end user, it is a very pleasant library to use. There's actually a video on that implementation, so maybe I'll drop a link to that in the description. So, what do we have? We have Miet in Komorebi C. There we are. So we're going to upgrade this to version 7. Let's close out some of these other tabs, and let's get Bacon running. Let's see what Bacon says. So, missing generics for struct named source. Alright, so let's head over to the Miet repo and have a look at the changelog. So this is on named source. Breaking change, this makes named source, this makes the named source type generic over its source type instead of boxing it. Let's take a look at that commit. I don't think we're doing anything fancy. Okay, I guess we can also be generic over type string. So let's do that. That is on line 117. Let's make this generic over string. Huh, what is usize from I30? Why am I doing into here? How did that even work in the first place? That's weird. So let's just see what source span is expecting. It looks like it's just expecting a usize, so I should just, forget that. IntelliJ is way too slow. I don't know why I was doing that into, but if I write 2, it should just, be interpreted as usize. Let me just see. Yeah, source span, new, source offset, length, usize. Boom, done. Speedrun complete. That was not bad. It was not bad at all. Let me think, what's the best way to do this? So there is a pull request open. So let me, what am I doing? Okay, let me get checkout. Get stash. We'll get checkout this. We'll get stash pop. We'll make these changes. Cargo Clippy, and then I think we can just git push amend on this. And then we can have like the nice merge commit with all of this stuff. Yeah, with all of this extended information in there. That would be nice. There was one more I wanted to take a look at that has been pending for a while. It's in the pull requests, actually. It is Hotwatch, which had breaking changes as well. Where is Hotwatch? Okay, so that's fine. We'll get commit, amend, and git push force that on that branch. And let's check out now this Hotwatch branch, which is a little bit behind, but that's okay. Hotwatch. So the latest is version 5. What were the breaking changes here? Oh, this is way back. All right, let's git pull rebase. Let's get all the goodness from master. Yeah. And git push force that. Oh, we're already rebased. What is this stuff about the resolver? Virtual workspace defaulting to resolver 1 despite one or more virtual workspace members being on 2021, which implies resolver 2. Interesting. I guess we need to put that there, right? Oh, I know. I'm supposed to do git rebase master, not git pull rebase. Oh, but I have conflicts. What the frick? Alright, so let's git rebase abort. Oh, it's because of the conflicts that it's failing. Alright, so I guess we are gonna do the rebase real quick. So, oh god. Let's... Okay, so we need hex color. We don't need those Hotwatches. That is looking good. Git add Komorebi cargo.toml. You know what? I'm just gonna do cargo. I was gonna say I'll just do cargo update. But this is the I can't even. Let's just commit whatever comes with this. Right? Git rebase continue. Sweet. So let's cargo check this and see. Oh, okay, we do have broken stuff. What is the Hotwatch Rust GitHub? Let's have a look at the changelog. Upgraded notify from version 4 to version 6, which substantially restructures the event type. So now we have event with event kind, access, create, modify, remove. Okay, I think that's all we really care about. So let's see. Debounced event, I guess, doesn't exist anymore. Let's run bacon on this. So we'll just get rid of all these janky imports to start with. And then watch not found. So hot watch error notify. So notify is a variant of the error type in hotwatch, which wraps notify error. And notify error now has an error kind. Okay. So here I guess we're going to match on error kind. Let's call this notify error. And I guess this is going to be error kind, watch not found. Can I get a add import for this? Nope. Oh, rust. Actually, this isn't a rust thing. I think this is an IntelliJ thing. Oh, error kind is multiple. Oh, right, because we have that import from standard IO as notify error kind. Maybe I can do that. So this can be notify error kind, watch not found. Is that okay? Yeah, I think it's just catching up. Sorry, I'm speedrunning this because I need to go to bed because I need to go to work in the morning. And it has been over a week since I last did a video. I thought I'd do a little video for this. I wrote a whole bunch of code on the weekend. But I didn't record any of it, so I'm gonna do a little, I don't know, maybe a code review video, because I did some pretty cool stuff, I think, on the weekend. So, because this is now matching on error kind probably doesn't implement the standard error trait, and now this error is the one that we're propagating here. And that is the hotwatch error that wraps whatever other kind of error there is there. So now the only thing is event kind, I believe it was called. Hotwatch notify. Oh, maybe it's exposed here. Event kind. Yeah, it is. So on modify and on hotwatch event kind remove. Alright, we should be able to add an import for this, for both of these actually. Add import for event kind. That's coming along. What is this? Probably has, yeah, this has kind as well. So that's what we need to match on. Now I believe we have to do the same thing in static config. Line 749, yeah. So instead of matching on event, now we do event kind, modify, and event kind remove. I think that's it. Unless, nope, I missed something else. Used after. Okay, so let's take a reference here so that we can do error into. So actually here, so you can't do this here, right? You have to use the keyword ref I believe. Yeah. So when you have like this in a match block, when you're matching on an enum that contains something and you want to take a reference to it, instead of using the ampersand, you use the ref keyword. You don't have to do that much these days. This is the only time I think that I really do it. So I think Clippy is going to be good. Let's take a look here real quick. Miat is still going, but we know that that's passing, right? Like it's compiling, it's all good. Oh, it's just creating the installer now. So like the build. No? Run a full build. Here it is. So yeah, that will be good to merge. This is also now looking good. So we can go ahead and commit our changes. Let's run just fumped just in case. Just in case. Stupid line ending errors. There we go. So we'll do git commit amend, git push force, and this will trigger a new build on Hotwatch. So add my review. My review is a-okay. Shouldn't really review my own stuff, but yeah, looking pretty good. How long did that take? 17 minutes. Not bad, not bad. So Miat was very easy to upgrade. Hotwatch a little trickier, but all in all, not bad. Not bad for 17 minutes of work. Alright, my friends, that is all we have time for this time. I'm going to try and make time for some slightly longer videos. Hopefully this weekend I have finally a new monitor coming, so I don't have to do this. It's going to be a much bigger monitor. I'm going to have a lot more screen real estate, even when I set the DPI to 225%. Alright, why don't we wrap up by saying thank you to the sponsors. But I need to do it in a private window so that, oh man, the jank is real, so that I don't show the private sponsors. So starting from James, thank you James. James is the MVP of the next release. So many good PRs coming into the 0.1.22 release from James. Thank you to Pavel, EFL1P, private sponsor number 1, Chase, Maxwell, DM1681, Red Lobster, Darian, Kwang, Surefire, Solomon, Alex, private sponsor number 2, Evan, who rocks. He does not sucks, even though his name says Evan sucks. Evan rocks because he is a sponsor. Alex, Julian, and Hisayuki. Thank you all so very much, my friends. If you too would like to sponsor this project, come on over to the sponsor page. You can be a one-time sponsor. You can be a monthly sponsor. And honestly, even if it's just $1 a month, it means so much to me. So much to me. And also, if you're in the Discord, you get a cool role. You get these shout outs. That's all you get, but that's pretty cool. You have my appreciation forever. Yeah, forever. I think that's pretty cool. If however, my friends, you are not in a position to become a sponsor, the very, very next best thing that you can do is make sure that you are subscribed to the YouTube channel. We are now fully monetized, which means that the channel gets a cut of all of the ads that get played on the videos. I don't really control the ads. YouTube has been playing them even before I was monetized. But, we get a couple of cents here and there every day, and it is a very easy, passive way for you to support this project. Oh, what a speedrun. Alright, my friends, I hope that whatever you all do today, you have a great day, free Palestine, and I'll see you all back here next time.